Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Airtable for managing a music band's schedule. First up, let's create a new base. Simply click on the plus icon and select Start from Scratch. This will be your central hub for all band-related activities. The reason we do this is to have a unified space where all information and schedules can be consolidated and accessed easily. Now that we've done that, let's create some tables. Think of these as different categories: gigs, rehearsals, recording sessions, and so on. To create a table, click on the plus icon next to the table's header. These tables will help us segregate information based on its type and relevance, making the schedule easy to navigate and manage. Next up, let's add some fields to these tables. Fields are where you'll input your actual data: dates, times, locations, etc. To add a field, click on the plus icon within your table and select the field type that fits your data. This helps us because it allows us to input and categorize data in a manner that makes sense to us. Once we have our fields set up, it's time to input our data. For example, under gigs, you might input the date, venue, and set time. To do this, click on the cell under the appropriate field and type in your data. This step is crucial because the accuracy and completeness of our data will determine our schedule's effectiveness. Now, here's a nifty feature. Airtable lets you view your data in multiple ways. You can switch between a grid view, calendar view, or Kanban view, depending on your preference. To switch views, click on the grid button at the top and select your preferred view. This is important as it gives us flexibility in how we visualize and interact with our data. Finally, to make sure everyone is on the same page, share your base with your bandmates. Click on the Share button at the top right and input their email addresses. This final step ensures that everyone has access to the schedule, promoting transparency and seamless communication. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to manage your music band schedule using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your information organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.